Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Verse Elizabeth Cano Caabat. At the age of 40, I live in Francia, Iligan City, single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 3 kids, ages 23, 19, and 15.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 7 siblings.
And your order in the family?
I'm the eldest.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I'm a high school graduate.
Why did you not go to college?
Because of the financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have work experience abroad in Saudi Arabia for 2 years as an on-call cleaner. I finished contract in the other company only 11 months in Saudi Arabia also.
Why did you not finish your contract?
Because I had an accident.
Okay, do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have worked local experience in the Philippines for 2 years.
And your duties are?
Cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, taking care of the kids.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking and honest.
Okay, do you have any tattoo on your body?
Yes, I have visible tattoos in my arms. One in the right side of my neck, visible. And one on my right upper chest, not visible. And 2 at my back, not visible. And 2 in my left and right legs, not visible.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No,
Why do you want to work abroad?
to support my family.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Now give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will stop them and talk to them and breathe calmly.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
They're my future employer. I promise to be a good worker, and I assure you that I'm hardworking and honest, and if you have a children, I will love them as my own, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.